Even though debt mutual funds are considered a safe investment option, are there any hidden risks that investors are not aware of? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will share his insights with you now.
There could be liquidity risk in case of a debt oriented products, but for that also what government has initiated is that government has asked all the mutual funds to create a AIF. In case of such liquidity challenges, it can help the mutual funds with the liquidity. So these are few things which can be there. There could be a regulatory lapse also, which is very rare, but those are the additional risks which may happen.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.